It is March in North Carolina, zone 8A, and there's signs of spring all over the garden and all over the yard. The trees are budding. You can see the cherry tree in the background. I'll give you a close-up of that in a minute, but I'm gonna show you a lot of things that are starting to bud out and go, like blackberries, strawberries, elderberries are putting out shoots, of course the peach tree, and then things that have grown through the winter are garlic and my cilantro and other things. So here's the peach tree. Look at all those blooms, aren't they beautiful? But the whole tree has blooms all over it. I'm actually gonna prune some of them back because I don't want it shading my other bushes that much before the peaches are ripe. Here's some Swiss chard. Just happened to notice that growing nicely there. Comfrey starting to bolt out. There's garlic along this row. If you missed that video, some videos of planting the garlic. I did a series on garlic this fall and early winter. There is Egyptian spinach. Here's some cilantro. Get a bite of that. It's starting to really grow since it's gotten a little warmer. Here in North Carolina, it's funny. We were down in 20 degrees at nights like a week or so ago. And now we're up in the 70s during the day. But we'll probably still have some more frosty nights and maybe even some snow still. Some more Egyptian spinach. It's got a nice bitey flavor to it. My lavender made it through the winter. It's starting to recover. There's the first dandelion I noticed. There's some blooms starting to go on the strawberries. Strawberries come out one of the earliest things. Here's some more blooms over here. And I actually have straw on my strawberries. How about that? I believe this is some arugula that grew through the winter, so it's going to seed. That's delicious still. My bloody dock is coming up. Seems to grow as a perennial. I'm not even sure if it is a perennial or if it just likes our climate here and reseeds itself so well. Some elderberries that are starting to put out their leaves. I cut most of the stalks down to the ground. There are some stalks that are up here still. Some kale made it through the winter. Actually has some bugs on there. Blackberries like to put out, and these are ones that put out when it was getting cold, so of course they froze in the winter. But there's also right down the stem from here new buds already coming out for the springtime, so we'll have blackberries soon too. One thing I didn't mention that I just saw the other day over here is got a nice growth of catnip. It's got a nice growth of catnip here. Take some of that in for the cat. I love the springtime when everything is coming to life and bursting into full bloom. So make sure you're subscribed so you can follow all the blooms and all the buds and all the fruit that's growing in my garden this year.